You may have heard that Ford just released an update for the Sync infotainment system that is available throughout the complete Ford lineup. And you may be wondering, do I need to update my system or what changes are in the update? The good news is you can do this update yourself and it will take you about an hour, of which most of the time is downloading and installing the update. So what's new in the update? Ford has added the ability to run even more iOS apps through the Sync system. Using the navigation system just got easier with new commands such as Take Me To, Drive To, Get Directions To, and the POI, the point of interest, is now replaced with just the word place. The system now defaults to searches nearby when searching for a place by name. In my vehicle, this also moves the heated steering wheel button to the home screen instead of having to go to the climate screen to turn on the heated steering wheel. How do you know which version of Sync you currently have installed? That is really easy to check by using your touch screen in the vehicle. Turn your vehicle on. From your home screen, tap the Settings button in the bottom right corner. Then, from the General Settings screen, scroll down until you see the About Sync option and tap on it. At the top of the About Sync screen, you will see which software version you currently have installed. If you see version 1 or 2, you will need to do the update to version 3. In the future, you may need to do additional updates as they are released. Take a picture of this screen, as you will need your vehicle identification number, which Ford conveniently supplies for you on this screen when you create an account on the website, where you will do the update. Go to the website, syncmyride.ca or .com if you are in the United States, and create an account to access the update. Once your account is set up, scroll down to the Updates and Offers and click on the Update Sync box. Click the Begin Sync Update button. You will need a 32 GB USB drive that has nothing on it. Download the files to your computer and then extract the files to a folder on your computer. Once you have done that, copy all the extracted files to the USB drive. Once you have done that, you are now ready to head out to your vehicle. The installation takes about 30 minutes and your vehicle will need to be running, so you'll need to ensure that your vehicle is outside to prevent carbon monoxide from filling your garage. Start your vehicle and insert the USB drive into the USB slot in your vehicle. If you don't know where the USB slot is, consult your owner's manual. The update takes a few minutes to notify you it is working, so don't be alarmed if you don't see anything happening right away. If you get this error message, download the files again and retry installing the update. Your Sync system will notify you when the update is complete. Remove the USB drive and restart your vehicle to see the changes. You can confirm the update by following the steps you did at the start to see which version of Sync you now have. As you can see, I am now running version 3 with all the new updates. Take your USB drive back to your computer and log back into your account you created earlier. The next step is to let Ford know that your update was successful. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow us on all our social media channels for more great content. If you have any questions, or you are in the market for a new vehicle, you can reach out to us through our website or by phone. Thank you again for watching.